Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. First of all, wishing you a very happy new year to all of you. So for this video today, I'm making a very cute macrame coaster. Watch the video till the end. Do let me know how do you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start with the video. I'm using this 4mm size 1 ply macrame cord. I got this from Amazon. This is a very good quality cord and I linked the cord in the description below. So you have to cut 12 cords of 80 cm each and 8 small pieces of 15 cm each. You will also need a stick. You can use anything, like I'm using this glue stick as my base. First add 10 cords out of 12. Fold the cord into half, then attach it to the stick one by one like this. After attaching 10 cords, secure the stick with the help of a cello tape like this. Then we will keep these 4 cords from the middle aside, and with the other cords we will make square knot. To make one square knot you need 4 cords and make a L shape with the outer cord like this. Then take the 4th cord and it will go from behind the other cords and pass through the loop. It will form a knot and it has to be really tight. Then the second step will be make a L shape with the 4th cord, and then this time the first cord will go from behind and pass through. Here is your first square knot. Then take 4 cords and make square knots and complete the whole row. After the first row, we will add the 2 cords we left behind. Now take all the cords together and make square knots and complete the second row. On the third row, we will leave 2 cords from the both side and make square knot with the rest of the cords. On the fourth row, this 8 small cords will come into picture. We will use 4 of them on this row. To attach them, take this very first cord, then attach the small cords on the first cord like this with a large head knot. Attach 2 small cords on the same side and do the exact same thing on the right side as well.
Then
we will include all the cords and make square knots. On the 5th and the 6th row, we are going to repeat our 3rd and 4th row. So leave 2 cords from each side and make square knot with rest of the cords. Here comes our 6th row. As we are repeating the 4th row, we will attach the 4 small cords like we did earlier and then continue with the square knots. From the 7th row onwards, we are going to decrease 1 square knot every time until we have 1 square knot at last. On the 7th row, leave 2 cords from each side, make square knot with the rest. Likewise, leave 4 cords from each side on 8th row and 6 cords on 9th row and go on. After you got the shape, you have to remove the work from the stick. To do so, first rotate the work upside down and then you have to cut these joining cords and remove it from the stick. After that, just trim the cords a little bit and brush them very nicely. Brushing is really important. Then cut the cords and give it a nice shape. a very cute coaster is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.